Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Anki and Isu. I am Anki. This video is the part 2 of how you can earn money while staying at home. Make sure you watch part 1 if you haven't, because I have explained how I earn extra bucks while staying at home. Again, a little disclaimer here. I'm not making you a millionaire, but I'll surely show you how you can earn extra bucks for your next grocery shopping or whichever form you would like to spend your money. So in this video, I am focusing on affiliate or referral marketing. I'm sure most of my viewers have social sites like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and many of you have more than 500 to 1000 followers on your account. Do you know you can earn money from referral or affiliate program? What is referral marketing? Referral marketing is focused on rewarding current customers to invite their friends or family to try the product or services. Example of referral links I can think of is the Octopus Group survey, which I had discussed in part 1 of this video. Now, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is the process of earning commission by referring the other people's or company's product or services. You find a product you like, promote the product in your Facebook or your website or in your social sites, and earn a piece of profit from every sale you make. I want to be transparent and tell you one of the affiliate program I am currently doing is for BellaBox. If you have been following me for a long time, you must have noticed that I make unboxing video and have provided you a discount coupon code AnkiXPB. Every time a new user uses my referral code AnkiXPB and sign-ups in BellaBox website, I will get certain percentage of commission from the every new sales. You can check the description box below for more. Now, if you have understood what is referral and affiliate marketing, I will guide you through step-by-step process how you can earn money for yourself. Step 1. Look around your house and find all the product and services you have been using in your daily life. Or brainstorm and find out the product that you haven't purchased yet but you love to try, or you love that product or services. I'm focusing on the product you like because you can be natural to your friends and family while explaining the product and referral code. Step 2. Go to the website one by one and search all the product and services from your list. Navigate the site and seek the term affiliate program, referral, careers, contact, etc. You can find these links mostly down under the website page. Step 3. Register if you are new to the website following the referral link or affiliate program. Sometimes you have to email directly to the brand. In this case, you have to wait for a while to be accepted for affiliate program. The example for direct communication for brand is BellaBox. Like me, if you want to be one of the affiliate partner for BellaBox, you need to write them email why you want to be affiliate partner, something like that. If you want to see more of these kinds of video, keep supporting me, subscribe. I'll make more of this kind of video in my upcoming months. Now, after registration and getting approved from the brand, search for all referral codes you could send it to friends or family. Step 4. Make the list of all the referral codes in one page with the website name and login details so that you won't forget in the future. Step 5. Create a short description for all the referral links you are sending it to friends and family so that you can send the same message to everyone and save your time. Also, well-crafted message may be compelling and effective. Step 6. Start sending it to your friends and family in Facebook, Messenger, DM in Instagram, maybe make a video in TikTok with your referral code, or be creative, be you. Step 7. Follow up. You have to follow your friends and family for effective results. I know everyone are busy and they might have forgotten or they might not have seen your message yet. So following up is very important. Hey, did you register? Thank you. I think I earned $1. I hope these money generation ideas will be practical and valuable to all of you. If you are interested for yourself, make sure you check the description below and register yourself so that you could help me generate income. And if you like this video, make sure you check other videos as well. More of these kind of videos are coming on your way, so consider subscribing and hit that notification bell. Like always, keep supporting me and keep in touch. See you again. Bye. You are natural this way. You can tell your friends or family that you really love Also, don't stress. Try to be as normal as you can, and also don't be shy to share your link, because you're making money. Yeah.